The blast took place at about 12:30 noon in the basement of the World Food Programme building located in the FA3 sector of Islamabad. Initial reports could not help determine the nature of the blast, but later police investigators confirmed that it was, in fact, a suicide bomb attack. Experts believe that the blast took place as the result of a huge security lapse at the WFP building, which is heavily guarded. The blast has taken place in a particularly sensitive locality of the federal capital. The Deputy Commissioner of Islamabad has said that investigation into the blast are underway.
And in fact, the security was at its highest level even currently. But despite that, this incident has happened, and that is why I've said that this needs to be looked into very seriously. And why has this happened?
The United Nations spokesperson has condemned the blast and said that other UN offices will remain closed for security reasons.
Yes, for safety and security of the staff members and the property of the United Nations, and most importantly the safety of the staff members, we are closing down the offices temporarily for the moment and for the safety of the staff members at the moment.
Addressing media at the site of the blast, Interior Minister Rehman Malik said that the recent attack in the capital is an attempt by the terrorists to destabilize the government's crackdown on them. He said that the government is committed to rooting out terrorism from the country. Aftab Borka, Dawn News.